All right, everybody. Welcome to the video. Today, as you can tell, it's a very different day from what y'all are about to see. Instead of it being about 45 degrees, about 85 and sunny. So a little bit different. But y'all are about to watch the footage from a week ago. Yeah, a week ago. It was the bird I killed. It was my first bird of the year in Tennessee. First bird of the year in general, but in Tennessee mainly. Yeah, no, I don't want to keep y'all too long. Get right into the video. Hope y'all like it. I know he's in this tree. I saw him earlier, but when I moved, I can't see him anymore. Let me use this and look. See if I can see him. There he is right there. Looks awesome. Autofocus is killing me. There he is. I was setting up on where they've been roosting for 2 or 3 weeks, and of course the one day I get in where I think they are, the gobbler moves. There's more gobblers in here, but he's the only one I know, and I'm still set up to where I can shoot to my right. I'm just trying to focus on this one a little bit. I'm pretty sure that's the big bird that was out here Saturday, so. He keeps facing that way, which kind of scares me, but they want to be over on the neighbors, which I've set myself in between, so. I hear hens to my right. I can see his beard. He looks like he's looking where he wants to go. Yep, that's his beard. Yes! Yes! Yes, 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 yes! Oh my God. Dude, this thing is huge. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that, guys. Gobbling down, he's a freaking monster. Dude. Jeez, guys. Let me get this tripod out of this. Dude, I'm shaking so bad right now. Oh my gosh, guys. He's a giant. He's an absolute monster. He was sitting right at the property line. He pitched to the left, and he was trying to walk in that gap, and when I put my gun up, there was another tom. There was another bird that was in there clucking. That's what it was clucking. I needed him to take one step to the right, and he did that, and I just killed him. Oh my gosh, guys. Whew. He's got a rope here. I'll do it on my phone, but absolute giant. All right, everybody. We got it done. I got permission for one turkey on this farm, so I guess I'm done on this place. But this place is, every time I've come in here, I've been on birds. The day that I was in this field in the last video, I think it was Sunday, this bird was on the neighbors, and I remember this was the biggest bird in the area. I'm pretty sure he was the biggest turkey out of the 5 that were in that other field. So beyond happy with him. He's got a beautiful fan, probably about an inch long spurs. He got a big 9-10 inch beard, so couldn't be happier with him. As y'all can tell, I was pretty fired up. I'm pretty sure that's probably the most fired up I've ever been about turkey, and I'm glad it ain't getting out of me. But turkey hunting's starting to put its spot at my #1 favorite for this reason. I mean, had him filmed on the roost for 30 minutes. I mean, maybe 150 yards from me. Sat there, strutted, gobbled, did everything. He pitched. He actually pitched out right behind me. There's a little gap that they use to get onto the neighbor's property, and he was sitting in that. And he was walking across, but then another gobbler had pitched, and he was over here about 30 yards. So the reason it was taking me so long is because I was like panning over super slow, looking at this bird and looking at this bird, trying to figure out which one was bigger. And ultimately, I decided this one was bigger, and I couldn't be happier with him. Beautiful Tennessee Eastern. Right, tomorrow's my birthday, and yesterday was Easter, so picked a good time to come out here and kill one. Yeah, but I thank y'all for watching this video. Easter weekend's been a good weekend for me for about 2 years. Last year I killed one opening on Easter Day. It was the open weekend on Easter Day. I went up there and killed one within 30 minutes. I did the same thing today. Yeah, like I said, thank y'all for watching. And Ward was with us today. Ward was with us today. Beautiful bird.